Pregnant lady trying to get up. Let's open some fabric. Today I got an exciting package from NOOSA FABRIC CO. I'm really looking forward to opening this up and showing you the lovely PUL fabrics that they've gifted to me. If you're not sure what PUL is, it's a waterproof fabric and it's used to make nappies or wet bags and things like that. I had a lot of comments last week in my video saying that they would like to know how I make wet bags. So on the weekend I contacted NOOSA FABRIC CO, who have the most lovely PUL fabrics, and it is Tuesday and they have already arrived. It's pretty amazing, I think. So here is our little package from NOOSA FABRIC CO. I'm going to open up these fabrics for you, show them what they look like and my opinion on the quality of them. I'm going to tell you a little bit about NOOSA FABRIC CO as well, and then I'm also going to explain to you what I have planned to make with these gorgeous fabrics. Just needing to pop back on because I realized when I was filming I forgot to introduce myself. So my name is Marie and this here is Elijah, and this channel is all about motivating mums to make and mend. If this is your first time here, then welcome. I hope you find this video interesting, and if you'd like to see some more videos from me, you can check the description box down below, or you can click on my channel name and it will take you to my YouTube channel page. Have a look through and see what you'd be interested in watching next. So let's get unboxing.
My mum's fabric rero.
Ooh, so exciting. I love little fabric packages. Let's open this here. Oh my, what am I dropping? Our package was all wrapped in this brown paper here with NOOSA FABRIC CO written on it. So here are the fabrics that I have. Let's have a look. Do you want to see? Come to here. Do you remember this one? You saw this one on the website, didn't you?
Yeah.
You like it?
We got it.
We got it. Is that what you wanted?
Yeah. And what's the next?
You want to see all the fabrics? You don't just want to see this one? Okay. Well, this is the fabric that Elijah picked out. You like that one?
Yeah.
So this fabric here is called the Ken PUL. It's got little trucks all over it. And Elijah purposefully picked this one. He loves trucks, as you can probably tell from his shirt. So this will make some great wet bags for him to take to kindy. Next we have this gorgeous floral here. This one's got lovely little watercolored flowers on it. It's really pretty, and this one came in small, which is this size, or large, where the flowers were quite a bit bigger. But because I'll be making small wet bags with it, I didn't want to go with the large print because I thought it might cut the flowers off too much. So I'm glad I went with this one. This is called the Allison Small. And then I specifically picked these two so I had a more boyish type print and a girly type print so that I can make some normal sort of standard size wet bags to show you as well. Next I have this one here with these lovely bright colored tropical fish on it, and I thought this would make a really cute swimming bag to keep the kids' swimming clothes dry or wet depending on which way you're going. So I'll be keeping them dry on the way there and then putting wet clothes in it to keep everything else dry. Is that right? And this is called the Tobias PUL. I love the colors on this one. It's really vibrant. This is the last one here, and you're really liking this one? Yeah, that's pretty cool. This one's called the Neptune PUL, and I've got a lot of this one because I'm going to be making a really big wet bag type matte thing, which I'll show you in a video later on. So I've got this one. It's like mottly green and blue and orange and yellow. It's really pretty, and there are little specks of those colors throughout it looking like little stars. So I'm really happy with the colors on these prints. That's something I'm really impressed with, is the colors you see on the website look so bright and vibrant, and the colors that you get are just as bright and vibrant. They're really lovely. I am really happy with the quality of these fabrics. They feel nice and soft, and they're nice and flexible. They're not rigid like you can imagine some plastic fabrics are. They're going to be nice and waterproof for the purpose I need them, and they're not too thick, so they'll sew through my sewing machine really quite easily. Now, the reason I think a lot of people were interested to find out about wet bags is because it is a bit difficult to sew with PUL in order to have it retain its waterproof qualities, so that you're not putting extra holes in it with needle marks or pins, which makes it not waterproof. If you do want to see me sew with these fabrics, you will need to subscribe. I will be putting some videos out in the future showing you how I make that swimming bag, some standard size wet bags which I use for cloth nappies, and I'll be using for Elijah's kindy clothes that have to go to kindy with him, and they're good for just changes of clothes anyway. And I'll also be making that really big piece of Neptune PUL into a wet bag sort of mat thing. You'll see if you watch. Please watch. If I've already made those videos and you're watching this in the future, I'll make sure to be linking them in the description box down below. See you, kid.
Bye.
Bye. I wanted to mention that NOOSA Fabric Co generously gifted these fabrics to me. I'm not being paid to talk about them or being sponsored by them, so this is my genuine opinion on the fabrics and on the company. They've been running for 2 years out of Queensland, which is a few states away from me, down in South Australia, and they really do have gorgeous prints. Not just PUL, but lots of different types of fabric. I reached out to them because I genuinely love these products and I think that they are beautiful fabrics, and I do want to support them and share with you an amazing Australian owned small business that I think that you should support too. So if you've been looking for some good quality PUL that's not just plain solid fabrics, I really recommend you check them out. Or if you like these prints but you would like them in other fabrics, not just in PUL, they've got that option too, so you can check the website out too. So have a look in the description box down below to find a link to their website and have a search through all their fabrics. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see what I make with these fabrics, and until next time, go get creative and I'll see you later.